is fold the paper that you will get tomorrow. I have a big pile stack ready for you, okay? You're going to fold it into fourths, and this is going to be over by the sink along with all the materials that you need. The materials that you need for this are going to be your pencil, they are going to be your eraser, they are going to be your, maybe blender. I would grab it just in case, okay? So your charcoal pencil and your eraser are the two main pieces to this puzzle. Now, I will have some viewfinders available for you, and this will help you see the composition of your still life in front of you, okay? So the square of this viewfinder equals the first box, that whole space. So what I want you to do is look through this viewfinder and find a view of your sculpture that is interesting. Now remember when we talked about composition with our first project, you wanted to hit at least 3 sides. What I do not want to see is a tiny little drawing in the very center of your square, of your rectangle, that is of the entire still life, right? Find one piece of your still life and focus on just that one piece. Now, the trick to drawing these little sketches is that they are thumbnail sketches, which means they are small and they are quick. They are there to help you plot out the position of the objects in front of you. So what I'm going to do is literally, you can move around your table, around your sculpture, and you can find the most interesting position. And each one of these rectangles is going to be a different position, a different area that you are drawing of your piece. So I'm going to look through, I'm going to find a position that I think is interesting, and I'm going to go for like the top piece of this. Now, this is also going to help you with perspective. Perspective is how objects are placed and moving back into space. And it's something that I struggle with all the time, so I'm already assuming that you are going to struggle with this, because it's not easy. So I'm going to pick my place in space and I'm going to start drawing. And again, you want this to be quick and as accurate as you can make it in a short amount of time. Now I'm still holding up this viewfinder, and I'm going to actually have 7th period make this for all the classes today, so that you're all ready to do this tomorrow. I'm drawing this curlicue. Now I'm drawing the top piece of this sculpture. I'm drawing the tape. I'm looking and seeing how these objects are related to each other in space. And again, they are quick. Think about these contour drawings that we did at the very beginning and how that's going to help you with this assignment. I'm even going to start to draw, because I have more space and I can even see further behind me, I'm going to draw these like atmospheric lines that will also help me with this composition and filling this space up fully, right? Well, that's a little bit of you. And this is going to be a little bit more atmospheric because my focus, I want to be on my sculpture, but then moving back into space, I have Will in my frame as well. Okay? That is the first example of a thumbnail, okay? So what I want you to do tomorrow is finish filling in these 4 areas, these 4 quick thumbnail sketches. Okay? Now, I'm saying quick, but I would expect this to take you the whole time. Okay? Really look at these sculptures in front of you and plot out some compositions. We're going to take the best of these 2 compositions that you feel most comfortable with, and then we are going to create value on Monday into the drawing. All right? So, have a great weekend. Be safe. And I will see you all on Monday.